Don't tell me what to do.
Alright, I'm gonna fuck you up, man, for real. I'm putting on my gloves right now. I'm putting on my gloves.
Look at that.
Oh, really? Okay, that's just genius.
You wanna do this over the computer? Winner takes the computer time?
It's my damn computer, so okay, alright. I'm
All right, yeah. You said you're gonna be working all day. You've been painting all day.
What the fuck, man?
Just giving you a
Let me
taste
get
of
on
what's
my fucking
coming.
glove.
Kindergarten fighting. That was called old school fighting, huh? Old school fighting.
Oh shit!
Oh, fuck! Let me look at you. You okay? You want an uppercut?
You hit me in my nose.
You okay?
I said no face.
Hey!
I said no face. I said no face. You hit me in the face.
I won't hit you in the face anymore.
Come on, you've been eating too many Doritos. I like you, boy. Come on. Come on, Cleveland. Come on. Ow, mother.
Oh! What are you talking about when I got?
Oh, you got me in the neck.
Oh!
Man, you hit me in my chest.
What's up, dude? What's up?
I said no.
Oh, what the fuck? Using objects and shit. All right, mother.
Whoa.
You like that shit? Woo!
Wash my face,
your leg,
man.
get
Wash
your
my
leg.
face, for real. Hey, man, that's my leg, man. Hey, I'll just hit you with the limp. That's all. Hey, come on.
Oh, the lamp?
Plan, man, for real.
What's up?
What's up, plan? No face, no face.
I'm not trying to hit you in the face, bro.
Okay, all right.
I'm not hit you. I'm not trying to hit you in the face.
Oh!
Shit. Dude, sorry. Oh, crap. Did I not? Dude, say, I'm sorry. Ooh. Let me go get a Band-Aid.